In the quest for academic success, the right study techniques can be your secret weapon. Whether you're a student looking to boost your grades or a lifelong learner aiming for self-improvement, we've got you covered with the top 10 effective study techniques to try this year. Join us on this educational journey as we explore these game-changing strategies to optimize your learning. From the wisdom of the great minds of the past to cutting-edge techniques of today, we'll equip you with the tools you need to excel. Welcome to 10 effective study techniques to try this year. Let's embark on this path of knowledge together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more educational content. First, we need to create the internal and external environment conditions to successfully learn and retain information. Here are some study habits worth trying. Sleep well. A recent study found a positive correlation between student performance and sleep duration. But that doesn't just mean getting a good 8 hours of sleep before a big test. It's even more important to get a good few nights of sleep before completing most of your studies. Switch up your study environment. This might not seem like a promising study strategy, but studies show that switching up your study environment can increase recall performance. Instead of studying at home every day, try checking out a new coffee spot each week or heading to your local library. A change in scenery can improve both your memory and concentration levels. Stick to the environment that works. If you have a good study space or coffee shop at home that's guaranteed to make you more productive, it makes sense to stick with it when you're under pressure. Listen to soothing music. You can listen to any music you like, but many people agree that classical, instrumental, and lo-fi make good background music for studying and can really help you focus on the task at hand. Songs with lyrics can be distracting. Remove distractions. Eliminate distractions by muting your phone and distracting background noise like TV or radio. Make a deal with yourself to avoid checking social media until the end of class. Snack on smart foods. Coffee and sweets will give you a temporary boost, but then your blood sugar will drop. For more focused, lasting energy, try healthy snacks like soybeans, applesauce, or nuts. Study methods and tips that actually work. SQ3R Method. The SQ3R method is a reading comprehension technique that helps students identify important facts and remember information in textbooks. SQ3R is an acronym that represents the 5 stages of the reading comprehension process. Try these steps for a more productive and effective study session. Survey. Instead of reading the entire book, start by skimming through the first chapter and make notes about the title, subtitles, images, or other notable features such as graphics. Question. Ask questions around the content of the chapter, such as, what is this chapter about? What do I know about this topic? Start reading the entire chapter and look for answers to the questions you've posed. Recite. After reading a section, summarize in your own words what you just read. Try to memorize and identify the main points and answer all the questions in Step 2. Review. Once you have completed this chapter, it is important to review the material to fully understand it. Test yourself with the questions you have created and proofread all the sections you need.
Remember to hit the subscribe button because it helps us a lot. Don't forget to like the channel and press the notification bell to